Guys at VEVOR, I'm pretty sure make everything at this point. This is a telescoping wand for a power washer. Okay, so you can see you just basically unclip it here. If I unclip it, you'll see that you can pull this section out, but each section is very long. This thing can go on forever and ever and ever. And the idea is that this can get up and clean out your gutters or wash your roof or whatever you want. You have 3 different nozzles here that unscrew. You just unscrew it, don't need any tools. And you have your quick release for your different types of spray right there. Now, if we speak about the different types of spray, you probably already have these, but it comes with all these different nozzles and some tape and some other valves, depending on what power washer you have. So pretty much universal. It has these 2 sprayers. So that one would be to get like into a gutter. But this one might be like to spray a gutter. You can see that angle there, it might spray a gutter. And this one's if you want to maybe spray 90 degrees. So you have basically 3 different ways to spray. On top of that, you also have this nice soft brush. This would be good for washing your gutters. So first you maybe spray the soap up there, and then you scrub it with this, and then you use one of those to wash it off. It comes with a harness, okay, to hold this, because it can get heavy, and basically it gives you like a pivot point when you're holding it up there. And it does come with a very long hose here that's used to connect everything. This is the connection down here, and this is the little sprayer, like every power washer right here. You have an ability to keep it on if you want, and there you go. So yeah, pretty cool device. I'm very excited. I will not be on ladders anymore, which I really like. I'll be able to get up there, clean out my gutters. Yeah, it's gonna get everywhere, but once it gets everywhere, you just basically work your way down and clean everything off the wall. This is the VEVOR 24-foot telescoping wand for a power washer.